House starts tomorrow. We're here Thursday setting up with the great Alan Koch, Gold Country Orchids. So happy to have Alan. You're awesome.
Always happy to be here with the Offs. It's a great time, and we're here to have fun and sell orchids and teach the people that come here about orchids and how to grow them.
This is a long time coming. When's the last time you were here in the Northeast?
It's been a long time.
New York Flower Show?
Probably greater New York. Well, except for speaking.
Okay.
Because I've been to North Jersey, Deep Cut Orchid Society to speak recently.
Cool.
Yeah.
But here, selling plants at our little nursery in Linwood. We're so happy to have you. What'd you bring?
I brought a lot of things. Some things for the common normal person, like this is an oncidium called Saiku Marguerite. It was developed in Japan, and it has a beautiful vanilla fragrance and blooms a couple of times a year, and will grow in a south or east window for people.
So you pretty much brought everything here that's going to fit on our windowsills.
That's what I specialize in.
Cool.
The miniatures.
Awesome. Yeah.
So, like, this is a really tiny plant from Brazil called Grobii, Pleurothallus grobii, and this is more for the person who has a terrarium, who specializes in small collectibles.
That's a 2-inch pot with maybe 20 flowers on it too.
Actually.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. It's
in a 1-inch pot.
It's a 3/4 inch pot, man.
This is one of the plants that's grown for its foliage with the variegation instead of just the flowers. That has
also
fragrance
relatively small too.
Yes,
short.
about this tall.
Yeah.
And great for the windowsill.
Lots of cats too, right?
Yeah, Cattleyas, miniature Cattleyas.
Well, we thought he specialized in just Cattleyas, but you do bring some other things here, right?
I'm going to speak on the African species predominantly that are great for the home grower, for the windowsill grower. And this is an African species that's actually leafless. So it grows and flowers from just its root system.
And that's got what, like 6 spikes on it?
Yeah, it does. 1, 2, 3, 4,
maybe?
5, 6, 7, And one of my workers got the idea to mount them on wine corks.
Yeah, you guys enjoyed that bottle.
Yeah.
Right? Now, you also told me you're going to be speaking tomorrow, and you're going on at 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
And you're going to talk about angraecoids, right?
Right.
And now, but you had a specific reason why you want to talk about angraecoids, a little bragging point you told me about. I want you to tell the audience what it was. Well, you should be proud because it's pretty awesome.
No, I don't.
I'd be proud.
No.
I'm going to brag then, but I don't know what it was, so you got to tell the audience.
No. But, well, I started with this plant. See the Arangus lutea alba? I got that plant when I went to grad school at UCLA, 1973. That's just a piece of the plant.
Oh my gosh.
Now, I had it on the wall on a mount, and it had hundreds of spikes on it. But one of my workers, who thought he was doing a nice thing, divided it all up and made tons of divisions. But this species was produced, this plant, by a guy by the name of Fred Hillerman, who owned the Angraecum house, which was totally specializing in African species. And he told me that the plant would be dead within 6 or 7 years.
Oh my gosh.
And so here it is from 1973 to today, and still alive, still flourishing.
Wow.
And it blooms twice a year, and they low light, just like Phalaenopsis, easy to grow like Phalaenopsis, but they like to dry between watering.
Which is great.
Most people tend to overwater that are real orchid hobbyists, and so the person who's the novice usually underwaters a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's a perfect plant.
And you've also got these, they're in a mesh pot inside here for that reason. They drain really, really well. And that little bit of moisture between 2 layers of plastic helps out a lot too. A little bit of moisture between there. But you didn't say the thing though. You got to say, national award?
I've gotten 3 Hillerman Awards on African species.
And for the audience, what's the Hillerman Award?
The Hillerman Award is for the best angraecoid, which is Angraecum zarangus and the entire African alliance related to it, for national awards for the American Orchid Society.
Yeah, that's really difficult. If you get a national award, I mean, just to get an award is great. To get even nominated for a national award, even better. To get a national award, crazy. To get it 3 times,
Yeah.
You must have a cape somewhere. That's like superhero stuff, buddy.
I really enjoy growing the African species because they're lower light plants, so it makes it perfect for people growing in a windowsill.
Right.
You know, because you don't have the light of a greenhouse, that day-long light.
Yeah, and you have a specimen there, what, a 3-inch pot? 2-inch pot, okay.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You were going to mention something about your other stuff?
The little red one, that's
That is
Well,
really cute. Let me
that's
grab
what
that
I'm
real
best known for is the miniature Cattleyas by far. I've been working with those since 1973, and this is
This
blooming.
is new too, right?
This is brand new. It's not been named. The cross hasn't been named.
Yeah, I can see that flower
It's
right there.
14 months out of flask, which is really fast
That's
for orchids.
crazy. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
So I know it's going to bloom multiple times per year
Yeah.
because it's
And flower
blooming
size
so young.
is going to get a little bigger.
Flower size is going to get to about a $50.
Yeah, but crazy for Witigiana, first bloom 3 flowers on the stem.
I can't
It's
believe it.
crazy.
Yeah. It was from the Psyche parent that does that. But this is what I love. I love to breed these small things.
So this is brand new plant here this weekend at the shop, man. We're
Yep.
so glad you're here. We're here Friday, Saturday. We're gonna be here 10 to 4 tomorrow and Saturday. If you want to see Alan talk tomorrow at 12 o'clock, he's gonna be going on. So come to the nursery, stop by. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun weekend. We're really looking forward to it. We've got a great crowd, lots of hype around us. So come here to the nursery Friday, Saturday, 5th and 6th of September. We'd love to see you here.